Alright, now I got these guys printed. Pretty simple little deal there. But I got a piece of trans line, see how they fit. Check that out. So there. You get them in there all the way. Well, these aren't designed to hold them directionally, they're just literally designed to support the weight. So yeah, looks like they'll do that pretty good. I'm gonna climb under this thing and put some nut certs in there and bolt these up. One thing I did do that was goofy is I went to the hardware store and I just got some normal Allens. I apparently should have got some button heads because the Allen sticks down below the bracket a little bit, but you know, whatever, it's not that big a deal. I don't know if you guys, a lot of guys aren't familiar with the nut cert stuff. And honestly, I didn't know about these till a couple years ago. So I thought I'd move my 3D printer. I thought I'd show you guys this thing in a second. This is a Matco one, but there's several different types. So this thing here is what the nut cert actually is. So this was a serrated one. They have these in different styles and whatever. But basically you drill a hole through whatever you're gonna insert the nut cert into, and then the tool threads into the nut cert, pulls this down, and it ripples this like much like a pop rivet, holds that in place, so then you can add I'm able to add threads to the bottom side of the car. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drill like holes for, I've made 3 of these mounts, hopefully that's enough. Pop 3 of these nut certs in there and then bolt those brackets up, and then the trans lines will be up and out of the way. So yeah, I thought you guys might think that was cool if you weren't familiar with them. Alright, check these out. Did a pretty good job of tying them up there, I think. Sorry, I'm rolling on my creeper. Ride's a little bumpy. Lines are a touch long. It's hard to see. It's not blocking the light, but the lines are a touch long. I could shorten them up a little bit, but they'll work for now. Maybe I'll move them a little, take some slack out of them on the other side here, but yeah, I'm happy with those brackets. I mean, they're bright red because that's the only color ABS I had on hand, but yeah, they'll work. So I thought you guys would think that's kind of neat, having a 3D printer and a little bit of skill on CAD. Very little CAD skill. Definitely comes in handy for projects like this. I might throw these on the website and sell them if you guys are interested. I can make them in different sizes and colors and whatever, obviously. So, but yeah, move on to the next thing.